For 15 years, thousands of students have been using our website to find information on living in Italy and visiting its cities. Today, they can also book their stay. Maximize your profits with Studentsville. Renting your place for long time frames has never been easier. On Studentsville, you can list your whole property, single rooms, or just a bed. You choose the price, and you get it all. Our fees are calculated in addition to the rental price. Just follow the easy steps that will take you to create the perfect page for your property. Or ask support to our customer service if you need some help with the data entry of more apartments. If you are a realtor and you use a channel manager to keep your business organized, you can easily connect it to Studentsville to automate your bookings. Now it's time to greet your first clients. Communication with the guests will be handled on Studentsville Messenger. Once you reach an agreement, you can send the booking contract with just a click. 24 hours after the check-in, you'll get the first month's rate. If the guest stays less than a month, you'll get the full established amount. Remember, no commissions for you.